Projection in computer graphics. Projection is a technique used in computer graphics to represent 3D objects on a 2D display. There are two main types of projections: perspective projection and parallel projection. Perspective projection. In a perspective projection, objects in the scene are projected onto a 2D plane as if viewed from a specific viewpoint. The objects in the scene appear to be smaller as they get further away from the viewpoint, creating a sense of depth and distance. This type of projection is often used to create realistic images, as it simulates the way that the human eye perceives the world. Parallel projection. In a parallel projection, objects in the scene are projected onto a 2D plane without any perspective. All objects in the scene maintain their relative sizes and positions, regardless of their distance from the viewer. This type of projection is often used in technical drawings or architectural designs, as it provides a clear, non-distorted view of the objects in the scene. Both perspective and parallel projections are important techniques in computer graphics, and the choice of projection depends on the specific requirements of the application. For example, in 3D games and movies, perspective projections are used to create a realistic and immersive viewing experience, while in technical drawings and architectural designs, parallel projections are used to provide accurate and non-distorted views of the objects in the scene. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.